Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing you my go-to night out all drugstore makeup tutorial. Every single product that I used, including brushes, is from the drugstore. Everything's affordable and everything is great quality. Everything I test and use all of the time. So if you want to see how I get this look, then just go ahead and keep watching and we'll get right into it. So one of my current drugstore primers, you could say, right now is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer. I love the rose one. It's nice and soothing. The coconut one is also one of my favorites. This is just a 3-in-1 primer water. So just want to go ahead and start off with my brows. This is like my go-to every single day brow pencil, especially with the Benefit one I mentioned last time being more expensive. I like to go to this one just for like every day when I'm filling in my brows. This is the e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade Taupe. It's only $2. I got it from Walmart and I really love it. So I know you guys saw me do my brows last time, so I won't really explain it too much, but I'm going to go ahead and start my outline with this one right here. So next I want to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, and this is one thing that I've used for a long time that I think is great, especially if you're a starting off makeup artist and you need several different brow powders in your kit. This is the BH Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette. So this has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brow shades that are powder right here, and then 4 creams at the bottom if you'd rather fill in with more of like a pomade kind of material. But I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe brow pencil and I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to use a mixture of this light blonde shade and this taupey shade just to get my perfect brow powder. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by priming my lids. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Really, you can just use any concealer, but I do like the e.l.f. Camo Concealer because it lasts so long. Sometimes it's almost too much for my under eyes, but I love it for my eyeballs because it helps stick that eyeshadow on all day. Okay guys, so this is the final eye look. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow. I went ahead and set my eyes with some translucent powder because we did put so much concealer on that it did kind of make my eyes more sticky than I'd like. So for this look, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. This is still available on Morphe stores and in Ulta. This is one of my favorite palettes because there is so much variety. Despite everything that's going on with Jaclyn Hill right now, I really do love this product. I think it is a really great product. So I really have no idea what the shade names are, so forgive me, I did not keep the little insert for this. I'm going to start with my Morphe M504 blending brush. This is my go-to blending brush. I have about 10 of them. And I am going to be just going in with this light, kind of muted, orangey brown color right here. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with this color right below right here. Just a little bit of a deeper shade. I'm going to use the same M504 and blend that into my crease even more. Alright, so I'm going to go a little bit more reddy pink with this look, I think. So I am going to be going in with this kind of dark, I guess it's like a reddy magenta color, and I'm going to really focus this on the outer probably third of my crease and my outer V. I'm going to really build it up and kind of smoke it out, and I'm going to start by using my Morphe M441 brush. Share a little bit of a trick that I do. Anytime I'm trying to smoke out my eyeshadow and kind of give that appearance of a wing via eyeshadow, I like to use this trick. So I'm going to place, this is just a primer, I'm going to place this on the edge of my eye and kind of blend the eyeshadow over top of it. So So you can see that that gives the kind of sharp appearance of a wing without actually putting eyeshadow on. Now obviously I have like a crease from pressing that against my eyeball, but you get the picture. It just kind of helps shape it up a little bit. All right, and let's see, I might regret this, but I'm gonna go in with this you know, bricky red shade right here. I'm going to use my Morphe M573 brush. Let's see how many numbers we can say along with Morphe. And I am just going to take that in my outer third again and my V, just to give it more of like that pinky look. It was kind of leaning more purple than I'd like. Alright, so to finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply the glitter shade. I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Dusty Trusty eyeshadow brush. No clue what it's called. But I like to go ahead and spritz that with whatever water I have near around. I'm going to use just the primer water I used. So, not to say that these shades are kind of dry or hard to work with, but I just find that they pop more whenever you spritz your brush first. So today I think I'm going to go in with this bronzy shade right here. And then I'm going to mix in some of this light medium pink shade as well. Alright guys, so the camera actually cut off while I was doing my eyeliner. I was using the Maybelline Master Precise all day. It's just like a mini version I have, and it's in the shade black. But for the lashes that I'm going to be using, I felt like I needed some liner. So for today, I'm going to be using the Kiss Lash in Triple Push Up, the shade Teddy. These are my favorite lashes ever, especially for a night out, and these are from the drugstore. I will list the price down below. They're definitely under $10 and you can wear them multiple times, which I love. So I'm going to quickly pop these on and I'll be right back. Okay, so you can see that these lashes are really heavy, but I still love them, especially for a night out. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the face now. So one of my favorite foundations lately for my face from the drugstore is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. So I use the shades F2 and F3. I kind of just mix them together all over my face. So what I like about this is that it is a concealer wand, a jumbo concealer wand. It lets you control how much product that you actually use. Alright, so I promised I will bronze up this face a little bit, but first I need to do concealer. So I'm going to be going in with my Loreall Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is in the shade 330 Ivory. Concealer's on, we're going to move on to baking so we can actually bronze this face up. So I'm going to go in with my Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. So I'd like to start off today by contouring, and I'm going to be going in with my Morphe Highlight Contour Palette, and this is in the shade 8L. This is what it looks like on the inside. You've got 4 contour shades, 4 highlight shades. Now for my base contour, I go in with the very lightest shade right here. I really love this shade. I feel like it lets you build the product a lot, because sometimes I will put on a contour and it's like super, super dense right away, and then I'm like freaking out to blend it out. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe M581 brush. You know I love this brush. It's a big, fat blending contour brush. Go ahead and start bronzing up, and for this I'm going to use my all-time fave, the Butter Bronzer, and for this I'm going to use my Morphe R4 brush. This is a tapered blush brush, but I like to use it for bronzer. So next to go in with my blush, I'm going to go in with my Burts Bees blush, and this is in the shade, I hang on because there's a sticker covering it. This is in the shade 1210 Shy Pink, and I'm going to be using my Real Techniques blush brush. Okay, so last for the face, I'm going to go in with my highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight in the shade 50. It's the rose gold one. Okay, so now on to my lips. I'm going to go in with the iluvsaraii and Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade Curvii. Especially a night out look, I like to wear a liquid lip. My favorite liquid lips from the drugstore of all time are the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lips. These are going to stay on all night no matter what. So I am going to go all over my lip with the shade 70. This is an Amazonian. And then I'm going to go right into the middle once it dries a little bit with the shade 60 Poet. I think these two will be a great combination. So that is about it for this look. I just want to lastly finish it up with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright, so this is the final look, you guys. This is my go-to all drugstore night out makeup look. I really love every single product that I mentioned, and I do use every single product I mentioned on a regular basis. I will be listing, like I said, down below all of the products I used, as well as all the brushes I used. And so I would definitely recommend at least trying out one of these products and letting me know what you think of them. And with that being said, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you want to see me do on this channel. And comment down below your favorite product that I used in this video, and I will pick 2 of you and send those products your way. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!